It's actually a party in here. You are just so handsome. It's hard to even just be around you without petting you. Cause you're just oh, that's a lot of fur. Are you digging in the couch because your ball is down here? You're truly something else. Oh my god. Are you happy? Today I want to play around with these. I want to play around with black currant and jasmine and black amber and lavender because these smell so good. There's another one I want to do, but I'm gonna wait. In here, I think it's the wild honeysuckle. I don't know, maybe I'll do it too. You know, since I'm already gonna be making candles. And by making candles, I mean making samples. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lacey. I'm the owner of Milky Candles and I make videos about life in my 30s, and Butters hears me talking and absolutely cannot fathom that I would be talking to anyone other than him. Do you see the jealousy between these two behind us? It's been like a week since I've talked to you, and it's been a week. I feel like the last few videos I've been talking about has just been like money, 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 job, candle business, money, job, candle business. Like that's just kind of been the flow, but it's also been my reality. Kira had to go to the vet just for like a checkup. Both Kira, that's my pit bull that you haven't seen yet this morning because she's in the office with my fiance. Both Kira and Butters have like crystal debris in their bladders, which is unfortunately it's kind of common, but it's also deadly. So they're on a special diet. So they have to go to the vet every now and then just to like re-up their prescription for their food. So Kira had to go to the vet for that. And then you're sitting in their food cabinet, which is why he is like he's eyeing all the food behind you. Nola had to go because her arthritis, that's the little white cat that you saw, her arthritis is pretty bad. And I just wanted to see some like different alternatives. So she's on a supplement to help with her joints, and then she also is taking, there's like a shot for cats. The vet is pretty far away, so I got the rest of the bottle of the supplement, like I bought a whole bottle of it, so that I can administer her shot myself, because the supplement is every 4 weeks and then it's monthly after that. And I'm like, girlie, we live like 35 minutes away. We had another vet closer to us that we went to, but after Ash, the puppy that we had, like the one that we bottle fed, she just didn't like that vet anymore. Anyway, so that Nola has run up a bill for me. We're gonna put her to work. She's gonna be doing dishes, mopping the floor, get her little arthritic ass to work. He's just, what's going on? You just want the food. Yeah, that's what you want. Aside from that, I'm like a month or so into this like part-time job, and my hours have steadily declined. It's no one's fault. It's just how it's like the projection of numbers. So I have one shift coming up. I basically went from like 24 hours a week to like 14 and then like to 4. So I don't think it's gonna work. I am definitely gonna need to just go back to a full-time job, and that's okay. I've already mentally processed this. The problem is because the economy is so bad, every job outside of teaching pays less. Never thought I would say that teaching would be my highest paying job, especially in Arizona. I've essentially just like, after months and months and months of looking for a full-time job, because I have been looking for a full-time job for a while, it's either start at the bottom and get paid terribly, which is not going to cover the, like $17 an hour is not going to pay the bills. And that's what people are offering here. $19 an hour is not going to cover the bills that we have. I'm gonna have to get a new degree, or I'm gonna have to get a certificate from an online platform like Course Careers, which would also be great, but I would need time and money, and I don't have any of those things right now. Like we literally are, I'm telling you, we are struggling. So I'm trying to be gentle with myself, because like we have never dealt with an economy this terrible before. Yeah, this summer was just so slow. We have some markets lined up. We've got 2 in October, 1 in December so far. So that's gonna be really exciting. I'll make sure to post those on my Instagram if you're local or nearby and you just wanna say hello or sniff or whatever, or have some fun in a new place. What makes me the most nervous, you guys, is I like bulked up on inventory, and I got all these wholesale orders and my inventory went like that. And because it's wholesale order, I'm getting paid half the price basically, which means it's gonna be hard for me to bulk up on on supplies again. So just kind of like falling into this rut of like, and it's like, I cannot possibly charge more for a candle. $34 for one candle. It is 12 ounces or 11 ounces. What is it? I don't even know my own candle. It is 12 ounces. It's made out of a ceramic vessel, so it's beautiful, but it's still, and it's quality ingredients, obviously, but it's still $34 for a candle. Like, I feel uncomfortable charging that. I cannot possibly charge more. I feel like the last time I was wearing this hairstyle, these glasses, this shirt, we were having a very similar conversation, but it was on my bed. Okay. Anyway, so we're just in like, we are struggling in all sorts of ways. Like, we're mentally having a fit because we've just never been in a situation like this before. So we are trying to overcome, and we have goals in the future that we want to accomplish, and it's just not going to get accomplished this way. Like, what I'm doing right now is not working. I've figured that out. Came to a full circle moment when I did a 2-hour journaling session. I don't really know what the future holds for me. If I'm being completely frank, I don't even know what the future holds for milky candles. There's a lot of people that are like, okay, so maybe you just do it seasonally. Like, maybe you just do fall and winter. And it's like, except here's the problem. I pay for a mailbox all year round. I pay for an inventory system all year round. I still have to remit my taxes, not just pay regular taxes. I'm talking about remit the sales tax that I take from customers and have to remit to the state. I have to file for that, and filing for that costs money every year. I have a platform that I pay for all year round. So it's like, to say I'm only gonna do it seasonally when I'm paying for these other things for the whole year, and I can't really not pay for them for the whole year, it doesn't seem reasonable. So like, I'm just trying to figure it out. Let's have some coffee. So we have a wholesale order with Dickett Gardens, and we are gonna drop that off tomorrow, even though tomorrow is like technically the heat wave. Everyone's always like, it's not a heat wave in Arizona, it's just always hot. Yes, it is. However, it's a heat wave because there are no cooler nights, because we're not getting as many monsoons as we need. So that's why it's considered a heat wave, because it's not even cooling off at night. So like, a lot of our cacti and like agave and just agave have been dying like in Arizona, because I was reading from a landscaper on a post. He was saying something like how when you water aloe, I'm gonna keep saying aloe, when you water agave and when you water cacti, basically it holds on to that moisture in a different way than like other plants do. And so when it's hot in the day and hot at night and there's no cool off period, the plant basically boils from the inside out. Yikes. So luckily ours have been fine, but it's like, so what do? Do you water them? Because then they're just gonna boil. I don't know. It's been great. Something else I need to do is order more stickers. But I think I've just decided that like right now, stickers are not a priority for my business. I like them at markets because we're just like, oh, like take a sticker and it's like for free and da 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 da. But like, we can't do that this year, I don't think. I'd rather be able to buy like wax, you know? So what's on the agenda today? Let's make a to-do list. Okay. I got these off Amazon. I'm really excited about them. It's just like a little to-do list every day. I do like that they're front and back, but I'm a weirdo and I have a weird time writing front and back. I love a crisp new page every time I do something, and it's wasteful, I'm aware. So I'm gonna need to make sure that I am writing on the back. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And it fits in my planner, which I've used for like cash stuffing, which right now we don't have any cash to stuff. So once I'm working full time again, we'll do that. I also have like a budget sheet in here. Like all of these things I've gotten off of Amazon. I have never once used the budget sheet. Yesterday, I was supposed to box candles and I didn't, so I'm gonna need to do it today. So we'll start at the top of the list, box candles. Yesterday, I also wanted to update my inventory. I do need to do that today, but it's not really a priority. So I'm just gonna put in the don't forget. Well, no, it's fine, I'll put it over here. Normally, updating inventory would be a priority, but because it's so slow, it's just kind of not. Obviously, I'm filming today. I need to make testers, which are the ones that you saw earlier. I do need to take some product photography today. I also should post on Instagram because it's been a while since I posted on Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna drink my coffee and then I'm probably gonna start boxing candles. I didn't have any more vessels for these because I made these candles in bulk. This is the Brown Girl collection, so I had to just pull them off the shelves. When I pulled them off the shelves, they don't have an individual candle care card in them. I usually just do one candle care card per order, so I have to shove these in the top, but the rest I'll box with these in there. We are officially done with boxing candles. Everything is over there, ready to go. I'm gonna eat a little bit of lunch and then I'm gonna start taking some product photography. Maybe I'll make candles first. You'll see. Okay, I just poured the blackcurrant and jasmine. I'm grossly obsessed with blackcurrant and like everything that it's in. It smells so good. But anyway, so I have it here. I've got 5 ounces of wax melting here. Not quite yet, but it's on its way. I think out of all 3 of these, the black amber and lavender is gonna be my favorite. The wild honeysuckle, the fragrance oil is just so dark. Like look at in comparison how dark it is. So I probably, just because of how dark it is, I wouldn't buy something to make sure my candle doesn't yellow. I'm just not there yet in my budget. I don't know that I would use this specifically just because of how dark it is. But who knows? Maybe it will smell so good that I'll just change my mind. This one smells so good. If you're into really like calming, relaxing, earthy scents, this is it. Like if you like sage and lavender and all those types of things, this is it. For sure. Ooh-wee, that smells good. It's like earthy but sweet at this. I actually cannot explain it. Okay, this one smells good, but I'm just not really a floral person, but nonetheless, it still smells really good. Like as a not floral person, this is a pretty good floral scent. Gonna be honest. It's just not something I would choose again because it is, of course, floral, but I still want to test it out because hello. I really enjoy the process of testing out new fragrances, specifically because I don't want to burn the candles that I've been making for like 2 years or 3 years or however long. I don't even know how long it's been. My sense of time it's never come back since the beginning of the pandemic. Like my sense of time is horrible. But anyway, so I just want to test them out anyway, even if I'm not gonna like put them in my line. I'm gonna start doing it with more of the samples that I have because I just enjoy having a candle burning that's not a scent that I have smelled 25 1,000 times. We're done. Okay, so this is the spot for today. This is where we're gonna take pictures. It's just gonna be a little darkened because of the way that the light's coming in, which is nice. It'll work well on my profile. This is like an old shelf. I think it actually is the shelf that's supposed to go in here. Oh, we just put our blankets in there. Okay, I took some photos. I only took 3. That's fine for now because I'm trying, if you remember from like a video or 2 or whatever ago, I said I was trying to batch like a couple photos with similar color schemes, but with like different backdrops so that I create like a nice cohesion on my Instagram of like a color palette to just sort of help with branding. So I went ahead and did that. I just posted it on my Instagram. So if you are watching this video and you feel like going and finding it, my Instagram is in the description, but also leave a camera emoji on it so that I know you came from YouTube as a comment on the picture. That was the worst way I could have ever phrased any of that, and that's how it came out of my mouth. I'll see you guys tomorrow for drop-off day. Good morning. Today is drop-off day, so it's just gonna be a very quick ending to the vlog. Everything is ready to go. We just need to put it in the car and then we are gonna take it there, and then we've just got some errands to run. So we'll show you a little bit of Dig It Gardens. Are you already smiling? Yeah. You already get it? Might light it up. Welcome to the best plant place in town.
It's funny, it's like the top seller, everything's gone but the top seller is here.
Of course. Wow. Again, cutest plant shop ever. I rest my case. Okay, we are gonna go run some errands, but that's all for this video. It kind of felt a little sad seeing my older vessels there.
Did it there?
A little bit, because they're just so cute and there was so much love and passion in them, but also time and frustration and sweat. That part I don't miss. I love you guys, even if you don't love me back. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment for engagement for the algorithm, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.